Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Minima blockchain from Minima Global. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. I should say coin actually. This coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this blockchain and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, or this coin. I keep saying token. I use them interchangeably like some people do, but technically this is a coin. It is a blockchain. And on Mexc Global's Twitter, they just announced, if you go over to @Mexc_global, that the Minima Global token, a decentralized layer 1 blockchain, the wrapped Minima, Wminima is the ticker symbol here, which is short for wrapped Minima, will be listed on Mexc Global soon. So it says visit Minima Global to learn more about the project. Stay tuned for events. So there's going to be trading events, maybe like a airdrop event, or they have all sorts of different events for Mexc Global before the coin gets listed. So they're going to have that. So stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, this will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description box if you don't have an Mexc account. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, go into the trade section, search WMINIMA, which is the ticker symbol, wrapped Minima, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. Now they are verified on Twitter. You can go to @Minima_global. Minima.global is their official webpage. They have 30,800 Twitter followers, 3,800 tweets. The only decentralized layer 1 blockchain, it says. That's their tagline there. They are listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. They do have a full white paper. The wrapped Minima is actually a token on the Ethereum blockchain. So it is a blockchain, but this is specifically a token on Ethereum, and we can check out their Etherscan here. Let me click on that here. So it says max total supply of 125 million tokens, 18 decimal places on this token, and only 3 holders so far. So it looks like it is not listed anywhere yet. And Mexc Global might be one, or it's only like the first initial listing for this token. So that's pretty cool there. They do have pre-sale information at presale.minima.global. They have a Telegram @Minima Global as well, a Discord. You can find all these listed on CoinMarketCap. And their white paper. So their white paper goes over, the problem with blockchains and Satoshi Nakamoto, how he invented Bitcoin. So let's skip down to the solution, though. It says a network where every single user is an equal and complete member, where disrupting the network would require attacking, bribing, or coercing hundreds of millions, maybe billions of users, orders of magnitude more than current crypto solutions. Total decentralization. Can a secure, scalable, truly decentralized cryptocurrency be made with no overarching authority? Can every user be an equal cryptocurrency user on the network? Can mining be centralized? Mining centralization be abolished? Can the need to outsource any critical aspect of the network to some third party become redundant. So the requirements to abolish all that and to do all those things is the protocol needs to be resource efficient, that every user is able to run a complete node at all times as to no consequence. It must remove the paid miners. The miner-centric fee-paying model always leads to centralization. It must be complete, immutable. The protocol is a desired quality. Since it must be complete, the protocol must scale from inception, be quantum secure for a future where it might matter. It must be small, it must be powerful, it must remain decentralized, it must be finished. So that's their solution. That's all what they're trying to do there with the Minima network. So scroll all the way down here. They have, let's see here. They say this is going to be secure. So the security, Minima is a distributed POW, so proof of work secured blockchain. The true power of the Minima network comes from the scalable off-chain transactions running over Maxima. That also contributes to layer 1 security. So it's also scalable. So the scalability, the Minima protocol allows for both on-chain and off-chain transactions. The block size is adaptive and can grow and shrink as the users see fit. Also sacrifice in order to be runnable by all at all times. Minima not only requires a large user base, but Minima also asks for more of its users. Participation is a requirement. Minima utilizes an MNR database, maximal pruning, and a cascading proof chain. So it goes over all those there. Also decentralization, of course. Above all else, Minima strives to be a completely decentralized platform. So in conclusion, Minima, a compact blockchain that runs completely on your mobile phone. A scalable, programmable, storageless, quantum-secure, proof-based, cascading TX proof-of-work chain. A resilient, open, global, censorship-resistant P2P network with a built-in base layer blockchain for trustless payments, token, and contract processing. A fully decentralized crypto system of collaborating users with no centralizing points of failure, able to sustain a large network of complete nodes ever assembled, and a minerless, cooperative, distributed POW network immune to the trappings of a centralized, miner-centric, fee-based paradigm. So you could read more in depth about this on their white paper, of course, which you could find at docs.minima.global. Now this is a blockchain again, but their token is the wrapped Minima token, ticker symbol Wminima, Wminima, and that will be listed on Mexc Global very soon. And stay tuned on Mexc Global's Twitter to find more details coming soon. There's probably going to be an event on the way before trading opens. And if you don't have an Mexc Global account, so check out that Mexc referral code down there. Get yourself an account. And besides that, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about wrapped Minima? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.